channel from being demonetized or losing your channel without your consent. It is very important to know that if you don't follow the community guideline for the YouTube algorithm, you can lose your channel. And it will be very, very sad if you lose your channel whereby you have many subscribers which you have fight for many years, and then you lose without knowing. It is very important to follow the community guideline, like not uploading pornography, not following the community guidelines for the YouTube. Yes, not doing spamming, that is maybe sub to sub, or bringing links which are not supposed to be on your channel, or scamming people. It is very important to follow those community guidelines. Yes, to protect your channel and your YouTube at whole. People don't know, you can lose your channel. Don't be a victim on this. It is very important to know that. Yes, look about copyright settings, how to remove. We are going to look on that. Yes, allowing embeddings, those settings, how to put watermarks. Yes, on your videos you are supposed to put a watermark. Yes, so that you identify your videos when they have there is a copyright. You have to know that we have copyright settings. When you enter on your YouTube studio, you go there on your channel, then you see a copyright. Click on copyright and then read those about removal of videos, all these things, messages, archives. Read these sort of things by allowing. Yes, whatever you get there, you have to accept, then follow from there. Yes, it is very important to know that how to protect your channel. It is very important. Allow for embedding. This is a settings whereby you allow for. You have to know how. If you want to remove download of your videos, don't allow for embedding. If you want people to download your videos, please allow embedding, and everything will be okay. People don't know about this, but this setting is there on your YouTube studio. That is studio.youtube.com. Then you enter on your content. On content, then you click one of your video, then you scroll down. There you see show more. Then you scroll down, you see allow for embedding. It is very important to please, if you are doing a good video, to show all these settings on the following procedure. It shows all the settings at the step-by-step procedure of how to go about it. Yes, please show the thumb up. Yes, like the video and or comment. Will you able to know whether you like the video? Yes, and you will learn more on my channel. God, thank you. Please follow the process. Your channel from being demonetized, because your channel can be deleted or you can lose your channel. It is very important to protect your channel. To protect your channel, there is certain settings that you are supposed to do. Enter on your Chrome. On your Chrome, click on studio.youtube.com. Yes, when you enter on studio.youtube.com, you will enter on your channel. You see my channel. This is my channel. Go to channel customization so that you see the settings. You see the setting, you see the dashboard, content, analytics, community, copyright, and customization. Click on copyright. Yes, you enter on your copyright, channel copyright. It is very important to know this is a settings or a clip that where you are supposed to know there is channel copyright. Here is where you protect your channel from or being deleted. On channel copyright, you see there is removal request. This is where you remove a video, which is you remove copyright. Someone who have taken your video and have started to owning it. They are owning your videos without your consent. You remove, that is here. Remove the request. Yes, removal request. You remove. Yes. When you enter in channel copyright, you'll see things like message, archives. On message, you'll be able to know that these are the messages that you get from your persons who are able to tell you maybe you have a copyright or you delete that message like that. Or the archive, maybe you don't want to lose that video, then you can put it in your archive. So in removal request, you can remove, you can ask someone to remove a video which you don't want it to be in their video. So you can go to new removal, you click. You can go to new removal and you click, and you see video request for removal. Yes, add the video. You can, if you add that video, you will see that you have a copyright. Yes, you are able copyright owner. Yes, you can write everything here and request for removal. Then after, then you can request and you can submit. After seeing that, you can write your email, this is my ownership, like that, then you submit. When you submit, then you can be able to take down that video. Yes, it is very important to know that. Although you can go on your channel, they are down. When you scroll down on your customization, they are down, you can see video watermark. On your video watermark, your videos are supposed to have a logo, your personal logo. I have this logo, you can see. It can be your picture. Every video that you post, it have a logo, your own logo. Entire video, end of the video, customer start time. So the entire video, it have a logo. This is logo, which is supposed to differentiate whether it is a copyright or it's not a copyright. When you have a watermark, it shows that you own that video because you have your personal logo. If someone claims for ownership, you are able to look on your logo in terms of picture or the watermark. When you look that, it shows that you are the legal owner. It is very important to know that there is those things like logo, and you are supposed to be careful so that people don't own your videos. Another thing you are supposed to know, enter on your content. This is my one of my video. Scroll down, go to show more. Show more. When you click to show more, this is not a paid promotion. You scroll down, allow embedding. When you allow embedding, it shows that you allow downloading. People can download your videos, which is the best thing. Maybe someone wants to watch your video, they have to scroll down. So you are supposed to allow embedding. If you don't want anybody to download your videos, don't allow embedding. That is allow video and audio remixing. Yes, this is the best thing. Like that. It is very important. to know that. This is my playlist. Yes, it is very important to know those settings so that it will give you the best thing. Yes, you have talked about copyright. Please protect your channel from being demonetized or being deleted because of you are uploading copyrights, or taking someone video and putting them on your channel. It is very risky. It can make your channel being deleted or being demonetized because that is violating community guideline for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you and welcome. Please show the thumbs up, comment for more. Yes, we learn more about growth and tutorial in YouTube.